Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm sitting out here in my garden, and I guess it's about 10 a.m. on a Monday morning. Yeah. I wanted to share with you all, these are ground cherries. And these are ground cherries I just let go to seed, right? And I wanted to share with you all the seeds. Now, ground cherries, yes, they are related to the tomatillas, but really, they are a tomato. Yeah, that's what they are. But, you do your research. But no matter what they are, I love them, y'all. I love them. Let's see. So as they dry, you can see the seeds fall out in a spider. I had them sitting in my garage, but I wanted to show you how they look in a sack when I just let them sit there and just let them, wait, I think there's one right here. You can see the seeds in there. So this is a ground cherry that has dried, and you can see the flesh of the ground cherry has died, but what is left in the sack is the seeds. So let me kind of pop it open. Wait a minute. So that's when I break it open, and this is her seeds. So now this is just my way. It could be a better way to do this, but I just take ground cherries and I sacrifice them for my seeds. I don't eat them for the seeds, because if you eat them, you're going to eat the seeds, right? So it's like a tomato. So what you do is just take them and set them in a cool place, dark cool place, which was in a cabinet in my garage, and they just went to seed. And this is my ground cherries. I'll show you what they look like on a plant. So this is my ground cherry plant, and yeah, they just come back. So once you have ground cherries, you will always have ground cherries. That's for real. So I saved the seeds just to share. So these are the flowers she make. And then from the flower, she make this. It's like a tomatilla. And the ground cherry is in that sack. Yeah. And that is your ground cherries. Now these are Aunt Molly's ground cherries from Baker Creek. She has beautiful stems on her. Just beautiful. I love it. That purple and green is really pretty. Really pretty. But that's who she is. Her taste is a sweet, tart, and juicy. That's what she is. All right, family. So now I'm going to harvest just a couple of leaves of my greens for my meal, my lunch today. And I might as well get some of these big kohlrabi leaves. She got some cool leaves on her. So we're going to get this one. That one's got yellow one on it, so we ain't gonna get that. Well, let's get this one. So we're a good looker. We'll take this one. And maybe one more. Just one more, baby. Alright, let's see. See how this one look. We'll take that one. Alright. So I want to get, I'm going to get a little basil. Let's get a little basil. So this is some basil here. I'm going to just take a couple of leaves of this basil. Maybe about 4. Cool. And I'm going to take just a couple of more of these chives. Not a lot, because really they're here to help these plants, but yeah, they got a lot. I need this. All right. Look at that. Yeah. All right, family, so this is my lunch. That is it. You could see that. So it's like, I guess it's like a soup, or, yeah. And I cooked some ramen noodles with it. Yeah. This bowl is hot. But I'm gonna put a lot of the juice in it because, yo, I've been eating on it already. Yeah, no, I had to taste, make sure the seasoning was right? But I have some white potatoes in here and all the goodies that I got from my garden. The red peppers from my garden, which is great. So, and this is my bread. It's just some cheesy bread. And this is that. That's what that is. So I'm going to try it. The Morning Star Veggie Bites. Yeah. And, of course, Jamaican Syro. Yeah. I got some of that. Let me get me a fork here. Okay, y'all. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I've been eating. But anyway, here it is. Squash potatoes, peppers, onion, garlic, all that good stuff, and kohlrabi leaves. Yeah. Tried the Morning Star. Maybe because I'm eating, it just don't taste right. Maybe I'll try it again. Right? I need a refill. So these are the butterfly pea flowers. I just wanted to give you all an update. Yeah, that is, yeah, you saw right. That is an eggplant plant there. And I'm not taking her down because she's holding this big bundle of plants up, right? So I just wanted to share all the peas that she's getting, her seeds, and they are turning a little gold. So, it won't be long. And matter of fact, listen, whenever it happens, we gonna get them. And that's the bottom line to that. I'm never in a rush for what nature's going to do. So we're just going to enjoy the process. Love on every minute of her. Because when she gone, she gone. All right, family. Lunch was amazing. It was so good. So good. So this is a butterfly pea plant I found. And I put her in here and she's growing. And that, the yellow flowers, would you believe, that's a cucumber. That's a cucumber, baby. We'll see. We'll see what she do, but I'm gonna let her do it. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I thank y'all for hanging out with me today. And this weather is just gorgeous. Huh? Absolutely, y'all. Absolutely. I need to clean off that stump. Every time I take a video here, I see that. But there's sweet potato leaves growing in it. So I'm gonna fix them. I'm gonna fix it, y'all. But it's been a wonderful day. I hope you all been having a great day too. Yeah, my little baby's over there on that table right there. Yeah. And Ben has been out here cleaning. He's been cleaning in the front of the house. He cut the grass in the front of the house and over by the plantain trees. Yeah. He's gonna get my square together. I have a big square over there where those sugar canes are. They're gonna have to move back. That's all. They just, yeah, there's space for them to be there, but you know, they just laying down everywhere. They can't, you know. But I'm gonna take my square back, and we'll see what we're gonna do with it. Yeah. But all right, guys, you all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the live on Tuesday night. All right, guys. Later, y'all.